Hello, you're looking at a New York blower. This is a 18,000 CFM fiberglass exhaust blower brought to you by Lanco. This unit has a 60 horsepower, 230, 460 volt, three-phase motor. It is set up for 460 volt right now. Unit weighs 4,000 pounds. Overall dimensions are 158 inches long, 94 inches wide, 87 inches high. It's a size 36 blower wheel. We have covers removed now. You can see the pulleys and belts for the drive system and the bearings and drive shaft. Currently have it hooked up to power, and we will now operate it for you. Powers up very nicely. Once again, this is a New York blower, 18,000 CFM unit brought to you by Lanco. If you're interested in any exhaust blowers, metal finishing, or waste treatment equipment, please contact Lanco at 616-887-8300 or online at www.lanco-corp.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.